Hey, Claire. I heard from Vanille that you can sing. Oh, Edra, really? Great. She can't keep her damn mouth shut. Damn Australian lesbian. Oh, Claire, be nice. So, can I hear you sing, please? Yes, but only because I trust you. But I should warn you that my songs are depressing. That's okay. That's just your style. Go on. Okay. Oh, which one should I sing? So many songs. Well, I guess I can sing this one. Will they understand? It's the question of a lifetime, trying to find the right words, but what if they don't care? Never mind. Dealt with it myself, hiding in the bathroom, wearing long sleeve shirts, scared of what I might do. Never mind. No one seems to hear you till you're loud. Then they call you crazy, then they call you crazy. Quietly I battle with myself. Days are getting hazy, days are getting hazy. No one seems to notice when you're down. Unless you are bleeding, unless you are bleeding. But sometimes the worst wounds are the ones. Are the ones you can't see, are the ones you can't see. Never mind. Do they understand? I'm begging for an ally. Think I'm just confused. Blow it off, it's nothing new. Never mind. Little do they know, the murder of my right brain, it still has me grieving. Take these pills for sleeping. My world is turning black and white. No one seems to hear you till you're loud. Then they call you crazy, then they call you crazy. Quietly I battle with myself. Days are getting hazy, days are getting hazy. No one seems to notice when you're down. Unless you are bleeding, unless you are bleeding. But sometimes the worst wounds are the ones. Are the ones you can't see, are the ones you can't see. Never mind. Never mind. If life is but a dream flowing gently down the stream, then I'm caught in the rapids, sinking boats and broken things. Merrily, merrily swimming towards the shore. A voice they said was harmless only threw me overboard. If life is but a dream, nothing but a dream, I just wanna smile in my sleep. Merrily, merrily, nightmares all the time. No one hears the screams, just wave as I float by. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. How was that? I don't know if I did well. What was your opinion, Haru? That was hauntingly beautiful. Vanille was right about you. Yeah. Just don't go telling anyone. I don't need everyone crawling up my ass wanting to hear me sing. You seem a little nervous about that. Are you sure? Got a little tongue-tied, huh? Just promise me that. All right. I won't, I promise. Thanks.